So, hello, we're having a party. This car city here is amazingly full of cars and vehicles you can have. So you see, we have police cars, toy trucks, some different types of cars. Look at the arrangement of the helicopters, planes, helicopters. Like we have a train here, some cars, 1, 2, 3, and yeah, these are just normal cars, and we made it. My mom just wants to take a picture of everything. So there we have the diggers and stuff. The fixer trucks. There we have the repair cars, a bus, a big car, a jeep, another jeep, planes, everything on this area and this area. See, we have 3 police cars. We have a whole range of set of cars, except the train and the bus. And so we have cars here, diggers over there. We have some planes over to the middle, and we have 3 police cars in the middle. And here you see that we have a ice cream van. We are just doing this to tell people, show your cars, and so whatever. We just arranged them right now. So I'm just telling you about all the cars. So the motorbike, a bike, everything here. And we named it, as I said, Car City. And a truck, helicopter, jeep, car. You see this big car here? It is amazingly big. And something you pull over there. And like something you pull over there. Yeah. And like a digger over there. Like all sorts of things. There's a car repair here. And there's a red car. Let me show you what it can do. It can do that. Also, the set of a range is that it's not just all new, because in the shops you can't just buy anything like this or anything. All the normal cars we have are like set free, and you see that for so also there are many cars that we know about. Black cars, police cars, everything here. Like, so we're here again. This works. So you just pull it back and you see the cars fall down. Now this is a repair car that repairs your cars, and as you see that all these are cars on top. All these are cars on top. Like we just arranged this. So let me show you how they. Then why do you keep on recording? So guys, this is all we have today. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you next time. Bye.